Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now student, as we have already started the topic that was kettle farming in the last lecture. So in the last lecture we have discussed about the different types of kettles. Then also we have discussed how to increase the milk production. Now let's see about the food requirements of dairy animals. What food should be provided to them in order to increase the milk production? Let's see. Now, maintenance requirement, the food that is required to keep the animal healthy. Milk production requirement, the food that is needed in the lactation period. Now, two types of requirement. Under these two requirement, different type of food is supplied or different type of food is provided to the animals. First is the maintenance requirement in order to maintain the health, or you can say the physique of the animal. So for that, the food, different type of food is required, and in order to increase the milk production, for that different type of food is required during the lactation period. So if you talk about the food, especially the roughage and concentrate, these two types of foods are basically provided to the kettles. Roughage की बात करें तो that is it contains fiber, that is the fibrous food, रेशेदार food जो होता है, and concentrate, it contains low fiber but high nutritional value. So it is nutritiously rich, the concentrates, but they have low fiber contents. Now, feed additives, it includes food that contain micronutrients that can promote health and milk production. Now, next is the feed additives. Now, means in addition to all these roughage and concentrate, this micronutrients is also supplied, okay, in the food only in order to promote the health and in order to increase the milk production. So this is the food, and this question is often asked about the food. Okay, ki what food should be provided to the kettles or to the dairy animals in order to increase the milk production? So that you should remember. Now let's discuss about how to protect the kettle from the diseases. Now, as we all know, ki if you talk about the kettle farming includes everything, means rearing and breeding. रेयरिंग में हम हर तरह की बात करते हैं, मीन्स टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एनिमल, प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़, then good sanitation condition, then good that shelter, okay, airy ventilated room होना चाहिए. So all these things are required for the animals. Okay, now in order to keep the animals disease free, for that also the proper medical facility should be provided, or you can say time to time vaccination is to be done in order to protect them from viral bacterial diseases. Okay, like we do in human beings, in the same way animals, they also need vaccination so that they can keep themselves free from the diseases. Now, diseases, they can lead to the reduction in the production of milk and even death of the animal. So this is a very important factor, that the animals, they should be prevented from the diseases, because if a disease if a disease capture them, then what happen, it will ultimately result in the low production of milk, and sometimes it may even cause a death of an animal also. Okay, now next is mainly parasites can affect the health of the cattle. These parasites can be found in the animal, or they may attach them externally. So different types of parasites, external parasites की अगर हम बात करें, so often these parasites are found on the skin. ठीक है, hairs में चिपके रहते हैं. So they may also cause disease. The internal parasite, they generally damage the liver and stomach of these animals, for example, worms and fluke. The external parasite can cause skin diseases in kettles. Sometimes bacteria and viruses also cause several diseases in the kettle. So these are the few organism, like in different way they may cause different types of diseases. Okay, like viral, bacterial, then even parasites, they also attack the animals. So now, so in order to prevent them from diseases, the the best way is vaccination. So vaccination is to be done from time to time. Regular vaccination is required in order to keep themselves free, and also so that they can produce more and more milk. So this is all about the kettle farming, complete kettle farming. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you, everybody.